Hello. One of the things that you will need to do when you do a research paper or any paper that requires citations of any kind is to cite your sources. One of the things that the databases offer as a bonus is a cite feature that can help you to cite your sources for your work cited in MLA or your references page in APA. To show you that, I'm just going to do a brief demonstration. So we'll start with going to the library. Again, through Atlas, go to My Atlas or your courses link and search the library. When this opens up, this is your search page, and across the top, again, are your databases. Databases A to Z and databases by subject. For this demonstration, I'm just going to choose one of the databases. Actually, I'm going to look at a couple of them, but we'll start with Academic Search Complete. So when we have Academic Search Complete, we have our search boxes. And when we just search for anything in Academic Search Complete, and I'm just going to enter a basic term of Hamlet here, because this will give me many results. I can find a result, and I can click on that to get the full text. So this article entitled Brief Let Me Be, Telescoped Action and Characters in Q1 and Q2 Hamlet. Across the right-hand side is where your cite function is. So if you click on Cite here, and you cite that, it'll show you all the different kinds of citations. And of course, the big ones are going to be APA, which is right here, and MLA, which is right here. Now, of course, one of the things that you can do is simply copy and paste that into your works cited or your references page, depending on what kind of citation format you're using. But one thing that you can do also is you can export these to bibliographic management software. So if I click on that link there, you can see all these different ones here that you can export it to. I personally use EasyBib because EasyBib is very good for using MLA sources, or excuse me, doing MLA citations. And we'll talk more about EasyBib in a future module. But you can export that right to EasyBib. If you look at most of these databases, I'll choose Academic One file this time. Most of these databases have cite functions, and they all work basically the same way. Again, we'll look at Hamlet. I'll just pick one of these sources to cite. Tragic foundationalism. And if I look on this site, again, I have up at the top citations. And I have three choices here: MLA, APA, and Chicago style. And depending, again, what style you're using, you can choose either MLA or APA, and you can copy this and paste it, or you can export it, just like in the other database. This is a very helpful function when trying to do and complete your works cited for MLA papers or your references page for APA papers.